बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। हेलो, हाय, अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स। How are you all guys? I hope so you all are fine. I am also fine. Alhamdulillah. In this video, I am going to share with you a most stunning and very beautiful and very classy and very amazing bottle cap craft ideas for you guys. These are super amazing and very stunning ideas for you guys. Thank you so much guys for supporting my channel and for watching my videos. These are super incredible and very amazing ideas for you guys. You guys must try these. Cap craft ideas at home. So viewers, I am glad to see you all guys. Hope so viewers you like this video and you must share this video with your friends. Take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz guys.